Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna share to you guys how to draw canted wall, okay, like this one, okay, it's tilted instead of straight wall like this. So we're gonna open our AiHouse. So we have our straight wall over here, okay, I zoom it a bit, alright, click on the wall, and you can use this split function first. We need to split the wall first, okay, and then can adjust to the dimension, okay, or the sizing that you already have. So that's I will just randomly put the sizing. Alright, so now we already split the wall, okay, into 3 parts. So now we're gonna drag this side, okay, to the right like this one, okay, and you can still enter the distance or the dimension for the wall, okay, so I will enter 1200, okay, and now we're going to drag this one to inside to make it canted or tilted, okay, click on the circle shape, alright, and then you drag inside, okay, to have a shape that is canted or tilted like this, okay, one click to set it up, okay, and for this side also, you can click on this circle shape, okay, this circle blue shape, just drag and make sure it's in a straight line like this, alright, and adjust, and one click, okay, to make it fixed, okay, so now we already have the shape, okay, this one is tilted and you can see the angle, okay, and if you want to add door, okay, you can just drag and drop to the side, okay, and to cancel out the duplicate, okay, you can just right click, okay, and you can still adjust the sizing for your sliding door. Let's say you want to put a sliding door over here, you can adjust the sizing by dragging this circle shape, or you can enter your own dimension. Okay, now we can see the result in walkthrough view, okay, so this is the result for our canted wall that we already draw just now. So this is the view from outside, okay, right, so that is very simple, okay, happy trying guys, bye bye.